If you have a particularly dirty car, which is covered in road dirt, traffic film, bird lime, brake dust, all kinds of other contaminants, maybe even insects that are baked onto the paint or tar that's flicked up into the side of the car, getting it really clean can be difficult. There are certain things that just won't come off. For example, little spots of tar on the side of this car which just don't want to shift every time you wash it. If you want to get it really, really clean, get all those contaminants out of the paint, a pre-wash with something like Lift Off is the answer. All you need to do to get your car back to factory fresh is to rinse it with water, spray on some Lift Off, rinse off again, and then wash as normal, like this. The rinse stage is just to knock off any loose dirt and make it easier for the Lift Off to reach the really deep ingrained contaminants. And of course, this is safe to use on almost all kinds of automotive paint, rubber, plastic, enamels, chrome, you name it. If it's on a car, you can use it on a car. Then before it dries, you just rinse or sponge it off. I prefer to rinse off because then you're knocking the dirt straight on the floor, not putting it in your bucket or on your sponge. Now, one thing on this car which never comes clean no matter how hard you scrub are these roof bars. They are right in the firing line of every bug, bit of tar, road dirt off trucks that comes towards it. So let's give it a blast of Lift Off and then rinse it off. And now with the hose pipe, the dirt just falls off these roof bars. And now we just wash as normal with Max Foam shampoo and the new microfiber Wrigley wash mitt. And the Wrigley microfiber mitt also has a soft side and a slightly more aggressive side if you've got some really tough, stuck on, baked on dirt. For example, on these plastic wheel arch extensions. That was honestly one of the quickest and easiest washes I've ever given a car. Just a quick dust over with this stuff made the dirt just fall off. Sponging it over, there was virtually no dirt coming up anymore, even though the car, as you saw, was absolutely filthy before we started. This did its work so fast it was incredible. Even dried on bird lime, just lifted straight off the paintwork, and then when I hosed it, sponged it with the shampoo, the car just came up beautifully like this. After I shampooed it, all I did to get this amount of shine was just dry it with a microfiber and then tackle the tyres and this black plastic with a bit of replenish, which is my absolute favourite rubber and plastic treatment, and it even smells really nice. So the Lift Off made short work of the disgusting roof bars, the dirt encrusted lower doors, the tar and bird's mess on the bonnet and the door handles. This thing is now beautiful.